Today we'll discuss about the new chapter, work and energy. Since in our daily life we perform different types of work. Before defining the work, let us take some example. Suppose if you take a bucket of water and you put it from one place to another place, then what you will say? You will say a work is performed. No? A work is performed by you. Suppose if you take a stone and you put it from the down floor to the top of the floor, then you will say I have performed an work. Then similarly, in so many ways we can say that yes, I am performing a work. You are riding a bicycle, you will say I am doing a work. You are just going to purchase some vegetables from the market, then you will say yes, I am performing a work. A horse is running, he is also doing a work. A bus is going with the passengers, there is a work done. But suppose if I have this duster and in front of you this duster is here, I place this duster at this position, okay, and during the break you all are outside the class, I take this duster and I move around the class. No one is available, only I am here, and I am just running in this whole class and I put the duster again its this initial position. And now you all are entering inside the class, then what you will say? That is their work done or not? No. Because the duster is at its initial position. But I performed some work now, but that is useless. But suppose if as you move from outside the class and I just take it and put it here and you are coming inside the class, then you will say yes, work has been done. But that work which I did and I am moving just inside the class, then that work done was useless because the object was at its own initial position. Then you will say no work is done. It means for work done there should be a displacement. Now, if no displacement, no work done is there. Or simply you can say displacement is the identification of work. मैंने इस डस्टर को लेकर के पूरा स्कूल घूम डाला, बट ये डस्टर फिर यहीं पड़ा हुआ है, तो क्या आप आके आपको कुछ लगेगा क्या कि वर्क हुआ कि नहीं हुआ? नो, नो वर्क इज डन. वो तो मुझे पता ना कि मैंने इसको लेके कितना घूमा, but for you there is no work done. Then for work done there should be a displacement. And for displacing an object we should apply some force. We have to apply some force. Without applying any force, any external force, is there any possibility of displacement? Because for displacement some force is required. That's why we say work is said to be done when a body changes its position by application of some external force or by application of a force. Then definitely you can simply define that work is said to be done when a body changes its position from one place to another by application of any force. Is it clear? Then simply we can write work is denoted by the symbol W and it is equal to the force multiplied by displacement. Work is equal to the force multiplied by the displacement. Suppose there is a block which is placed on a surface, on a ground, and someone is applying a force then the block will start to move and it will achieve a certain new position. Suppose the displacement is D. Okay? Suppose the displacement covered is D, then work will be equal to the force into displacement. Okay? In our further classes in class 11 and in class 12, we will see that work is equal to force into displacement in the direction of force. Actually, the force and displacement both should be in the same direction, or you can say in the parallel to each other. Because one more type of work can be possible. Suppose there is a toy, there is a car, and a boy. This is a toy car, and a boy is pulling it using a rope. Okay? And we all have played such type of toy. By using a rope we pull a toy. सबने किया होगा? नहीं किया? कभी खिलौना नहीं खेला? अभी खरीद के खेल लेना, अभी मेला लगेगा गोरखनाथ. And what do? We tied a rope and we start to pull it. No? That's very joyful. Then what happens? Then you can see the direction of force is here. The direction of force is in this direction. No? Because someone is pulling like this. And displacement is along this direction. Car moves along the plane. Then here you can see the direction of force and displacement are different. No? Here you can see the force is in this direction along the rope, but car is moving along the horizontal. For such type of cases, you cannot multiply this force and displacement. The formula which we are learning is only for the force and displacement when they are parallel direction. They are in the parallel direction. Okay? Then we will say the work is said to be done when applied force changes the position of the object from one place to another, and this displacement caused, we always take displacement, not distance here. Okay? Now let us write the definition. Write the definition. Work is said to be done when a force applied changes the position of object, it is equal to the product of force and displacement in the direction of force. Now what is the unit of work? Okay? Then simply you can see, for force you write Newton, and for displacement what we write? Meter. Then unit is Newton meter. Okay? Or you can write it Joule. In CGS system, at the place of Newton we can write dyne. No? We studied that the one more unit of force is dyne. And at the place of meter you can write centimeter, and this is equal to the erg. This is called erg. This Newton meter is called joule, and this dyne centimeter is called erg. Write down. Now we are going to define 1 joule. 1 joule. Suppose we have a formula of work is equal to force into displacement. Okay, and we want to define 1 joule. Then very simple. Put force is equal to 1 Newton and displacement is equal to 1 meter. Here we will substitute F is equal to 1 Newton and displacement is equal to 1 meter. Then what is the result? Work is equal to 1 into 1. What is the answer? 1 joule. Then you can see, if you want to find 1 joule, then what we will do? We will take 1 Newton of force to displacement to displace a body by 1 meter. Means अगर आप 1 न्यूटन फोर्स को अप्लाई करके किसी बॉडी को 1 मीटर तक डिस्प्लेस कर दो, then we will say the work is the 1 joule. Yes?
Spelling wrong.
Oh, sorry. Then what we write? We write the work is said to be 1 joule if a force of 1 Newton displaces a body by 1 meter. Okay? Then write 1 joule.